Want to download Roblox in 2026? Roblox is a free online platform where you can play millions of games created by users around the world, chat with friends, and customize your avatar. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Roblox on your Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and visit the official Roblox website. Using the official website helps ensure you're downloading the latest and safest version of Roblox. If you already have a Roblox account, sign in with your username and password. If you're new to Roblox, click Sign Up and create a free account by entering your birthday, username, password, and other required information. Next, open any Roblox experience and click the Play button. If Roblox isn't already installed, your browser will automatically prompt you to download the Roblox installer. Save the installation file to your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer from your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen instructions while Roblox installs automatically. The process usually takes just a few moments, depending on your computer and internet connection. Once the installation is complete, return to your browser and click Play again, or open Roblox from the Start menu. The application will launch, load the selected experience, and you'll be ready to start playing. And that's how to download Roblox in 2026. After installing the application, you can explore millions of games, customize your avatar, join friends, and enjoy everything Roblox has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.